Hello and Happy New Year, Carbon New Zealand. Today we will be picking up some parts for the Green Impreza. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we have finally got to work on the Impreza because I found some spare parts. I got a carbon fiber bonnet, which is a double RX bonnet, but I don't really mind. Also, everything is pretty much free. So I know it's hard to believe, but you'll see what I mean when we get there. And also I got taillights and a new boot lid of a double RX also. So yeah, let's go and get these parts. Looks like we need some gas for the Legacy, so we're gonna head over to our nearest BP and grab some gas, or whatever the closest gas station is. And yeah, then we'll head over to the parts place.
A few moments later.
Well, this is a parts car here. That will be donating its pieces. I'll introduce you to the audience in. Well, this is Mr. What's your name? Shay is giving us and helping us with the boot, taillights, and a carbon fiber bonnet. It's got a bit of artwork going on there, as you can see. I mean, we do live in Wellington, so artwork is a major thing here. She's gonna be the one that holds me down. She's gonna be the one that sets me free. So yeah, this is Shay's. Oh, look at his RC. He just brought out the RC car. Look at that. I was just about to say, like, this is his car, and he's hooked me up with the taillight, which is sitting on the Legacy. I'll show you guys that a bit later. But this is his car. He's building up. I'll do a bit of cinematic reveal of it.
Fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight.
That's pretty cool. Is that where the wheels are off? Yeah. So this is Integra. But yeah, he's hooking me up with some of the stuff, like this carbon fiber bonnet, which is blue, and I'm not too fussed. This is actually in better condition than I expected to be. It got painted blue. That's cool. Must have been on like a blue sort of vehicle. So these are the taillights. Absolutely mint. Just been sitting around. You know, in America people would kill for those, because in America, like, these parts are usually orange. Yeah, and
if I showed you my original taillights on that, orange.
Oh yeah. No, it's just an American thing. I think it's just they think this is JDM, so this is what they have to have. There, these are gonna go in the Impreza, so that can go in the car. Parts and the Legacy there. Here is the Green Impreza. It's living here for now. We're going to try and replace the boot, the bonnet, and the taillight at least today. We'll see if we can do it or not. Hopefully we can. I really definitely want to replace the boot. But other than that, I think it's all sweet to go. So we'll start doing it now. There is Cody, feeling a little bit wheezy, not as great. How you doing? If you don't remember who he is, here's a little clip of us. Do you remember that, Cody?
Yes.
So once this is done, are we going to dance in front of that too?
Absolutely. Only when it's done though.
Only when it's done.
Yeah.
Need to fix that thing. Well, anyway, this bonnet is bent. I'm gonna get demonetized if I say that F word again. It's so bent, so we're gonna chuck on the carbon fiber double RX hood. I know it's a bit ricey, but oh well. I guess it's gonna keep the engine cool when it goes forward driving. It's actual carbon fiber. It's so light. Like I have no idea, but like it's carbon fiber. You can actually see the patterns in there, and it's so light. Unless it's made out of like compressed toilet paper, and the patterns have been drawn on by. Obviously we can see how caved that is in there, so this needs to like come out quite a bit. That thing does bother me, how this is caved in. You can see over here, this needs to match up here. That's happened to many cars. I've seen it actually. People have had Imprezas like this. So all you need to do is just push this out. And I don't have my mallet today. I'm just gonna mallet that out and like push it out, and it should be sweet. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked on this carbon fiber. If you come close, you can see a bit of damage here, and you can actually see it does actually have carbon fiber underneath here. And I'm not too bothered how rough this is. It's not actually that rough. Like I don't think it's rough. What do you think, Cody?
No, it looks fine.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna put the jet washers in. That's crucial for this build. We definitely need that because I mean it's so small. But we definitely need that because when we go through muds and stuff, I definitely need to use my jet washers to clean my window. So I'll do that now. Well, it's 27 degrees out and it's hot, and you know we don't have an ozone layer, so I'm getting burned. Forgot my sunscreen. I'm very glad that I'm getting this boot out. I already got the loom up. So if you guys are wondering where the loom goes through, it's literally behind the tail light. You just need to unplug it. I've already done that side's boot shocks, but I'm doing this side so we can put the new boot in, which is in the Legacy at the moment. But yeah, soon enough it'll be free. Yeah, thanks to Cody, even though he's sick, he's helped me out quite a bit because this is kind of hard and a heavy boot. Yeah, it looks really good, but there's spray paint on it. We're just gonna put some cut and polish and buff it out. It'll come off straight away. I'm just gonna go on and tighten up all the nuts, and the boot should be able to close. So that's what the boot sort of looks like, closed and nice. Obviously we're gonna, like that stuff on there is horrible at the moment. We're gonna clean it all off. Why I have put the ratchet strap there is because the latch is missing and we need to pull that side out a bit. Other than that, it's pretty mint. Like it doesn't look crashed anymore, so that's a bit of a progress. And going to the front, doesn't look as crashed anymore either. So that's a bonus. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I was going to do the tail lights, but I need to bring a specific tool or some chains and stuff to pull the corner of that tail light so we can readjust it. And once that is done, we should be able to put our new tail lights in. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Anyway, thanks for Cody helping out, even though he's like sick. I don't know what he's up to, making some sort of a bong thing down there, I think. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment or whatever if anyone actually watches these videos. Bye.